Okay, today we are going to start for the validation of the breast panels for the IHC. In that we have Ki-67, HER2, ER and PR, and these are the reagents for those IHCs. And this is the secondary kit. We have the secondaries and the primaries of the company Celnovte from the China. Okay, in the IHC protocol, okay, we have the primaries for the breast panels like ER, Ki-67, PR, and HER2. And for the retrieval, we have the EDTA retrieval solution. 50. This is the 50x, and for the WAS solution, the 10x. This is the TBS solution. For the antigen repair.